Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to download and install our PostgreSQL and pgAdmin also. So for this, I just write here PostgreSQL. Okay, it will take you to this page, and I will click download here. Directly, this is asking us to select our operating system. Our operating system is Windows. Then I will click Windows, then download the installer. I will click there. Download the installer, and here's the latest version 16.4. Okay, I will download this one. Windows, you can see that Windows 60-bit. So I will click it, and then the download will begin shortly. It's all about 357 megabyte. Let's wait for the last for download. Once the download is completed, click on Postgre, open the file. It will pop up the installer function. Click on yes, minimize this one. It will shortly take you to the installer command. Okay, then click on next. Keep it as it is. Then always check mark all of this. This is important. Don't uncheck any one of these. And click next, and also next. Setup is now ready. Okay. Installing Postgre on your computer. Okay. Preparing to install. It will take some times to install. Okay. Click on OK. Once the unpacking is completed, then click on finish. Then select PostgreSQL 16, that once, and click on next. Then you can download or add some of these things, or you may add or not. I'm not clicking on any one of this. Then click on next. You must select at least one package to install before you continue. Okay, at least one of this I should add. Mm. So if you would like to download some others drivers or anything else from here, you can download this one, but would like not to download any one or install any one of this. So I will click on close. Are you sure to want to close? Yes, I am clicking yes. Then I will go to here, and I will click pgAdmin 4. The apps will pop up here, and I will click it to open it up. Okay, the server is ready for our use. We can use this PostgreSQL database management system. Okay, here you can see that one of our database is created, PostgreSQL. So here it is how you can download and install PostgreSQL and pgAdmin also. So that's it. Thanks for watching.